Here are 9 Tally tips and tricks for 2022. You can have the best software and still be inefficient. The primary purpose of a software is to make your work easy while improving your efficiency. Similarly, Tally too is used to increase the efficiency of a business. Knowing the best Tally tips and tricks is a good way of ensuring you are not just using the software efficiently but making sure you complete your work quickly and more smartly. We all know how Tally allows you to take manual backups from time to time. Many Tally users opt for an auto-backup system as a trick to save their precious time and allow for more efficient system-based backup instead of a manual backup. Businesses use different software for different purposes. It becomes important for software to be collaborative. Tally too is collaborative as it allows data to be exported. For importing data in Tally, you can use Excel to Tally import utility. It allows for easy data transfer from Excel to Tally. Tally is a very secure and reliable business management software. Therefore, by default, it can only be accessed offline. Nowadays, too many users need to Tally online or Tally in the cloud, and therefore Tally can be used online as well. How to use Tally in the cloud for business? Digital documents save many resources such as storage space, processing time, printing, and other expenses. One trick to avoiding the expense of these expenses is to digitally sign documents and share documents online. In this way, you can save a lot of resources just by replacing a paper copy of the documents with an electronic copy using the digital signature. It is part of the routine checks to control sales and business expenses. Such reports are often referred to as MIS reports. These reports are primarily Excel-based and require Tally data. To create these reports, you need to take data from Tally and then enter it into Excel. This entire process can be avoided by automatically creating the entire Excel-based report with Tally data and Tally Sheet Magic. When multiple users work with Tally, it becomes difficult to determine exactly which user performed which activity. You can use the built-in Tally function to create a complete audit trail of all user actions. This feature is ideal for companies with multiple Tally users. You can also use this function in Tally Erp9. Visit Audit Trail of Deleted Coupon History to learn more. If all Tally data is available to any Tally user, there is a high possibility that the data will be stolen or misused. A trick to deal with this problem is to assign user rights to each user based on their job role. With this Tally hack, you can keep your data free from corruption and mismanagement. Probably document management and document retrieval. As an accountant, it becomes difficult to ensure that all transaction-related and supporting documents are stored systematically and to be able to retrieve them when needed. A trick to avoid this extra work is to scan the documents and save them along with the transaction. This allows the examiner or others to easily review the entries without having to retrieve the physical documents. Inventory management can be simplified and easily managed by printing barcodes and labels on the till. The barcode makes using Tally for inventory maintenance a breeze. A tip for creating labels is to use Tally labels and barcode printing. Get free demo of Excel to Tally at www.fastandflow.com.